Congress leadership is rattled. The way Christians in Kerala are coming close to the Bharatiya Janata Party. The year 2010 was a turning point. It all started with the severing of the hand of Professor T.J. Joseph by Popular Front of India, an Islamic organization, over a blasphemy rumor. The professor was the head of the Malayalam department at Newman College in Thodupuza in central Kerala. He was falsely blamed for blasphemy, as one of the questions in an examination paper was considered as disrespectful to the Prophet. Several attempts were made on the life of the professor before his hand was chopped off by a Muslim fundamentalist before his wife and daughter when he was returning back to home from church after Sunday prayers. The incident shocked the Christian community, who understood the Islamic threat to the state. The recent Waqf Amendment Bill and Munabbam issue saw, for the first time, Christians joining BJP in big numbers. Here it is noteworthy that Munabbam in the Ernakulam district of Kerala has been in the thick of news recently, as the Kerala State Waqf Board has laid claim to this village where a large Christian community has resided for several generations. Munabbam has become an emotive issue for Christians, and it is only the BJP which has supported, while both Congress and Communists have sided with the other. Despite repeated pleas from church for a vote in favor of Waqf Amendment Bill, Congress-led UDF's MPs from Kerala still voted against the amendment bill. Now, to keep the Lok Sabha momentum going, BJP in Kerala organized one of the biggest Christian outreach initiatives in recent times, with BJP leaders visiting Christian houses to convey Easter greetings on Sunday. BJP Kerala Chief Rajiv Chandrasekhar met Cardinal Ellen Terry in Thiruvananthapuram, while Union Minister and Thrissur MP Suresh Gopi met Archbishop Thazhat and Jacobite head Basilios Joseph I in Kochi. In his interaction with Christians, Chandrasekhar also expressed hope that the Waqf Amendment Act would help resolve the long-pending Munabbam land dispute.